What is going on, guys? Travis, Bronistries Motorsports here. One more short little video here. It is actually Tuesday, 2:20 a.m. So, gonna show you guys here. We were going through the rule book and we actually need to add a little bit more to our doors here. So, I already took the Zeus's out. So we are actually going to be adding a bar here and a bar there. Gonna go ahead and walk you guys through on how to do that. Quick, simple little addition here. I actually already have one door done, try to speed up the night. I can show you that real quick, just a quick little sneak peek. So this is the one I just did. So you can see, just gives a little more, little extra support, little extra safety, make sure something doesn't come through the middle of that door there. So let's get some spots cleaned up on this. We're gonna go 3 1/4 from that tab, join it up right here, and then we're gonna go just to the bottom of this tab and join it up right to the right of it there. So let's go ahead and get them measured up, get them cut out, get them coped, and we'll get them welded on. I'm just gonna time lapse it for you guys. Alright guys, so another little tip. Right before you start to weld, you'll always see a lot of, pictures and videos of fabricators where the ends are clean and the rest is darker. It's always a really good idea to clean it. You want the cleanest metal you can so you could have really good clean welds. If you go and weld on this, there's oil, there's dirt, there's rust started, there's all kinds of crap on these tubes. So it's always a good idea to go ahead and just clean them up. Easiest way to do that, I like to use this. Turn it on here. Might be a little loud, but you can just roll the tube. There you go, as you can see how much cleaner the tube is. So you check out both sides. It'll just make for a much better, cleaner, stronger weld. So it's only takes a second to clean it up. Alright, so now that we have our areas prepped, all 3 spots, we have our ends prepped, we have our ends coped, everything lines up perfectly. Right there. Gonna go ahead and tack it in place, and then we'll make our other bar, and then we'll fully weld everything. Alright, so here you go. All welded up. That's going to be that. I'm going to go ahead and put the outer skin back on, and we're going to send these home tomorrow. a little bit easier if you try to get everything centered better first. Let's go ahead and give it a shot. So good. There we are. Fully fastened on. Ready to go. Ready to send these home. Alright guys, thanks for watching. Please remember to like the video, leave some comments, subscribe. If you like this kind of stuff, please let me know. If you like anything different, please let me know. If you would like to see, more of this stuff, just tell me what you want to see, and maybe I got something laying around. I got lots of projects outside. There's a lot of stuff I don't make videos of. So if there is something you'd like to see, or if there's something you need to know how to do, I probably have the project laying around and I could probably make a video out of it. I honestly have vehicles everywhere. So, thanks for watching, guys. We'll see you next time.